More than 1/2 of Americans use at least one prescription medication, and the total cost of U.S. drug expenditures now exceeds $300 billion a year. With chronic disease spiraling out of control, drug regimens are becoming more complex, creating an increasing demand for pharmacists with specialized training.
The Board of Pharmacy Specialties was established in 1976 as an autonomous division of the American Pharmacists Association to determine which pharmacists were qualified to deliver patient care at an advanced level through participation in the BPS Board Certification process.
Becoming BPS Board Certified enables pharmacists to differentiate and affirm their knowledge and skills to provide more comprehensive patient care. Be prepared to step into pharmacy's evolving position on the multidisciplinary treatment team, and be recognized for their expertise by healthcare professionals, employers, patients, and insurers.
Our clinical pharmacy specialists, all of whom are board certified, they're experts in drug therapy, and that's my way as head of service, ensuring that we have the highest quality of competency in our clinical pharmacy staff.
Currently, pharmacists can become BPS Board Certified in 6 specialties: pharmacotherapy, psychiatric pharmacy, nutrition support pharmacy, oncology pharmacy, ambulatory care pharmacy, and nuclear pharmacy. Board-certified pharmacotherapy specialists focus on ensuring the safe, appropriate, and economical use of medications.
So the training I've received to get board certified in pharmacotherapy makes me the go-to person for physicians, nurses, technicians, and even other pharmacists when there's complex medication questions or regimens.
Board-certified psychiatric pharmacists specialize in the pharmaceutical care of patients with psychiatric illness.
Psychiatric medications are not without side effects. My expertise helps avoid potentially harmful interactions and helps guarantee that the medications being prescribed are the most cost-effective ones available.
Board-certified nutrition support pharmacists address the care of patients who receive specialized nutrition support, including parenteral and enteral nutrition.
Specialty is very needed at this time because of all the drug shortages we have. Never before have we had 267 drugs that are not available. So you need a specialist to be able to identify those shortages and make the changes as a recommendation to a physician to change a patient's therapy.
Board-certified oncology pharmacists address the care of patients with malignant diseases.
Oncology drugs that are being developed today are very expensive. We do a lot of actual reviews of patients who are going to go onto those medications to make sure that they are the most appropriate candidates for those. And if they're not, then we try to suggest other alternatives that might help reduce the cost overall to the healthcare system and to the patient as well.
Board-certified ambulatory care pharmacists address the provision of integrated, accessible healthcare services to ambulatory patients.
The reason I feel this specialty is important at this time is there's a real focus on the medical home right now. And I think what the certification does is it really establishes pharmacists as the experts in the ambulatory care field, giving the healthcare team the confidence to really rely on us for that role.
Board-certified nuclear pharmacists seek to improve and promote public health through the safe and effective use of radioactive medications for diagnosis and therapy.
The most challenging part of my job is to protect the patient's health by reducing radiation exposure. Cancellation of a single dose can cost the hospital thousands of dollars. So I make sure well in advance that the patient's not on any interfering medications.
To become board certified, the Board of Pharmacy Specialties requires years of rigorous academic training in pharmacy, as well as practical experience in the areas of specialization. BPS Board Certification is the gold standard when it comes to recognizing which pharmacists are qualified to assist patients with complex or special medication therapy needs.
Certification raises the bar on the knowledge and skills that those that are certified have, and the potential for better patient outcomes.
Well, certainly we're seeing tremendous emphasis on patient safety and quality, and I think board certification to really enhance the performance of the whole team is going to be increasingly important.
We at Kaiser Permanente, Colorado are confident that the BPS certified pharmacists we hire are thoroughly trained and tested. Employers should be taking advantage of the expert knowledge of board certified pharmacy specialists.